Hello. Okay, let's see some more programs in C. Yesterday we discussed about some programs. Now, maybe after 2 or 3 days, I'll be starting GS codes. Um, so you can join me. If you want to learn the GS, actually how to run the GS and how to make a project using GS. Similarly, gradually we'll also be talking about the PSP. GS is very simple. PSP is also very simple. Let's see some more programs here. Last time we saw these all the programs, prime numbers, swapping, etc. Now let's go over further programs. Uh, Write program to calculate the area and perimeter of rectangle. Define it as a rectangle with members length and breadth. Let's do this one program. You can do with me. So open a new file. Let's make a structure here. We are asked to make a structure with members length and breadth. Let's make a structure here. Struct rectangle and let's make float length breadth. Let's go for main. We have already made this structure block and the tag is rectangle and members are length and breadth. Now let's make a variable a. Let's go for the input. uh, let's make here float area, then perimeter, because we are asked to find the area and the perimeter of a rectangle. Let's go for the input, printf enter length and breadth of rectangle. Let's go for input. App, app, then a dot length, then a dot width. Yes, fine. So input done. Now we have to give the formula. So how area equals to uh, a into length and into a dot width. So this was about the area of perimeter equals to perimeter equals to formula is twice into L plus B, and L comes from here and the B comes from here. Yes, let's do copy and paste here. Okay, that's it. Let's go for the printing. So print area equals to F and perimeter equals to F, then area perimeter. Fine. Yes, nothing more. So we have to write the program as per the given. You can see that question. Question is asking us to make a structure block that is rectangle and take the uh, members length and breadth. So fine. We have to go for input and to input the data to access these all the members. What we need a variable. So we are making a variable inside the main function and it becomes local to main. To store area we are using area here, and to store perimeter we are using perimeter here. So go for the input, which find the formulate yes, and after that print the result. Nothing more than return 0. Let's save it. Area and perimeter. Let's start the program. Okay, ask you for the input. Let's keep the length 23.21 and breadth is 43.45. So here is the area and this is the height. It's very simple. I hope you also saw this one, and so nothing more you have to do it. Yes. Any questions here? No questions here? Fine. Now let's go to next question. Let's go for next question. Next question is uh, Okay, let's see this one program. Uh, mm, okay, let's do this one. Yes, pointer to structure example accessing members. We have already done this one. Let's have a recap on this one. So how to access the members of a structure using pointer. Hello file. Uh, let's make a structure. Start book int book ID cat name. Okay, let's go for main here. Main. After that, what we have to do? Uh, uh, let's assign some value here. Yes, and for that we are going to use that pointer to structure, and to use pointer to structure we have to use struct book. Let's make a pointer b. Okay. Yes. Now to access the members, what do we need there? We need the arrow operator b, that is id. Equals to 345, and again b. So name, let's take here uh, physics. Okay, let's print there. If any error comes, we'll see that. So id equals to d, and name equals to s b id, sorry, id b. Yes, that's all. Nothing more we have to do here. Return 0. Let's save it. Okay, pointer to structure. Let's run the program. Okay, it is unable to copy that. Let's do one thing there. Let's put here strcpy, comma. Let's save it, run it. Okay, one minor mistake we have done here. First, let's make a variable. So var, yes. After that, let's make struct book. This one. What we have to do here? We have to store var, then we have to access it. So look here, id 345 and name is physics. Means what we have to do there? First we have to make a variable, yes, and after that what we have to do there? We make a pointer. This is the pointer to structure. This is pointer to structure. So what this pointer to structure does there? It is shows the address of this variable, and using this pointer we access all the members, and we also copy the value to this member. After that we are printing that from here. So nothing more we have to do. It's a very simple program, and this is how we can do it. uh, any question here? If any question, let me know. Yes. No questions, fine here. So this was about next question. Let's see next question here. uh, count character is to record in a file. Okay, let's do now 16 number. Let's store some data and let's read that from a file. Yes, 16 number. Uh, Storing and the reading. Now let's create a new file here. Write and read data. Write and read data. Let's take uh, uh, let's take book information. Simple. Take fields, book name and price. Okay. And we are going to take any 5 records. Let's write the code here. So include stdio.h. Then uh, so in question nothing is mentioned that actually question function to use. So we can use any one function, maybe a printf or the binary, etc. Let's go for iterate. Let's make a file pointer first. Here is file pointer. After that we need some variables, char book uh, name 100. Yes. Next is your price, so float book price. Yes. So after that, okay, let's open a file. Okay, goes to app open. Let's make the file name book.txt. Since we are going to read the data, let's also write the data. So w plus. Okay. How many records we are going to take? 5 records. We just said that for any 5 records. Obviously we need loop, am I right? So directly we can use the loop, or we can also use the choices too. Means if we say yes, then again it asks the data and it throws in a file. If we say no, then it stops. So we can directly use that. Let's take a variable int. Okay. Let's run the loop for I equals to 1 to I is less equals to 5 I plus plus. Now we have to ask for book name and the price. So printer enter book name scanner book name. Yes, just to copy and paste this entire part here. Paste. Enter book price. Okay, price is here. Price is here. Float. Yes. So we have to use app. After that, we have to put price p. So input done. Now what we have to do then? We have to use app print app. File pointer is k. Okay. Then s. Let's put /t. Then app. Okay. We give it a variable that is book name. Book name. Next is your book price. Okay, that's it. Let's put slash so that it will store the new record in next line. Okay. Okay. First it is in first line, and next line, and next line, and next line it goes there. This is how we have done here. So storing finished. So we can say we have done storing. Now what we need here, we have to go for the reading, and for that we have to rewind. Okay. Enter stored data let's use same loop again here. Now nothing more we have to do. Let's remove this part. Same thing. We have to put book name and the book price. Book price is number, so we have to put this one. After that, we have to use the printer to print the data. Book name equals to s /t. Book price equals to f/n. Book name and book price. That's it. We have finished the writing. Let's put here now app close. File pointer. Return 0 this way. Let's save it. book detail. Let's save it. We can also use it now. We have not used it now here. That's all. Let's save it. After that, run the program. So we are having here book. So price here, it will be capital. Similarly, the P it would be the capital. Let's save it, run it. Okay, one more extra question here. Enter book name. You can see here, enter book name. Asking here. So let's check chemistry. Book price 900. Book name uh, English. Price 560. Book name literature. Any book we can say. Math. Okay. Price so 1000. And book name computer. Price 900. uh, let's keep another book here. Account. Price 600. Okay, here is the output. Look here, in proper format we are showing the output. Yes, so storing done and the reading also done. We can also print the result depending on some conditions. If we put if, then particular books or the particular records only can be displayed. So nothing more is there. So it's very simple program. We can also use the null concept, and if it's null concept, what we can do here, k equals to null. Yes, so we can put here printf sorry why could not be opened, and let's exit this. Done. Nothing but that. In some cases, what happens if this file pointer is unable to open the file or to create the file, it is starts from here. It does not allow the code to move forward from here. So for that, we have used the return. That's all. So any doubt you are having here? In this way, we can store the data, we can write the data, nothing like that. So any query here? No query? Okay, fine then. So in this way we can solve this one. And so this is how we write a program with some logics and other. Okay, I hope you also love this one. And you want to chat with me, you can use the email or you can do chat box. If no question, find it. Uh, so from tomorrow we'll be starting JS, and using JS we'll go forward. Okay, thank you. Take care, and just if it was helpful, just let me know. And if you want to discuss some particular topic, then just tell me. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow at same time.